In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Sheet to a folder in Google Drive. This simple process will help you organize your files more effectively, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Let's dive right in and go through the steps together. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. You can do this by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. If you're already logged in, you should see a list of your documents and folders as soon as you arrive on the page. If not, simply enter your login credentials to access your drive. Once you're in, all of your files, including individual documents, spreadsheets, and folders, should be visible right from the home page. Now let's find the Google Sheet you want to move, scroll through your files, or utilize the search bar at the top, which is particularly useful if you have a large number of documents. Just type the name of the spreadsheet you're looking for, and it should appear in the search results. Once you have located the sheet, click on it. You can recognize Google Sheets documents by their green icon, which resembles a spreadsheet. With the desired file selected, move over to the toolbar just above your list of documents. You'll notice a small folder icon with an arrow on it. This is the move icon, and clicking on it will allow you to relocate the selected file to a new folder. Go ahead and click on this icon. When you click the move icon, a pop-up window will appear displaying the current folder structure of your Google Drive. This window allows you to navigate through your folders to find the perfect home for your document. Navigate through the list by clicking on folders to open them and explore their contents. Once you've navigated to the desired destination, select the folder you want to move the file into by clicking on it. If you're unsure where to place it, take a moment to consider what makes the most sense for your organizational system, whether it be a current project folder or one labeled specifically for spreadsheets. Finally, you'll notice a Move button at the bottom of this pop-up window. Double check that you've selected the right folder, then click on this button to complete the process. It might take a moment, but once the move is finished, your Google Sheet will be neatly relocated to the folder you selected. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully moved your Google Sheet, making it easier to keep your Google Drive organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you need more guidance or tips on using Google Workspace, feel free to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day organizing your digital workspace.